Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been posting, I've been running out of ideas. Shout out to this nice fan, IKEA_Roblox owner, she was so nice. In today's video, I will be making a new account and try to get rich in only 10 hours. My goal is to get at least 2 legendaries, so let's get started in the video. So this is my new account, and I already made a new outfit. Feeding my egg. Hatching. Oh yeah, a dog. Dogs have better demand than cats. That's why it's good we hatched a dog. Nice offer, mouse costs bucks. A dog is basically free. Oh my god, a paint sealer is a legendary and costs 20 Robux. This is a big win. Yay! Getting task done. Upgrade mouse is common, chocolate lab is uncommon. Wow, so much pets, and to ultra rares. Win. I bought a egg. Last task. Oh, seriously. What I realized is that when I communicate a lot with the person, I get better pets. Like here, she asked if I was new and doing a challenge, and I said yes. Then she offered for my 2 camels, and this is such a good offer. An ultra rare and cracked egg. Win. Thank you. A glitched mole. Still glitched mole. Okay guys, so I was doing a task and someone gave me a free ultra rare toasty, red panda. I wasn't recording cause she gave me it. It wasn't in a trade. Thank you Ruberos 1 to 2. Oh my god, my first legendary. I was a bit over. They were over. Win. Why? On Alpha Bread, this is win.
Yay, ultra rare. You. So much Blue Jays. Yay, finally a trade. Another Blue Jay. Oh my god guys, this person gave me a free pet. Oh my god guys, the same person and another person gave me more free pets. Guys, I forgot to record. Someone wanted to offer for my garden egg, and this is the offer I got. Win. Inventory update. I asked if she can do an ultra rare for this. This is when it's a Robux pet. I forgot to record again, but I hatched this. It took forever to trade this corn doggo. This is basically fair on Elf Bread because with all the ads. But I got these random pets for basically free, so this is win. I was afraid if I accepted first, she would instant decline, but I accepted first anyway. Cheetah is worth 2 to 3 legendaries in my opinion. This girl saw I was doing a challenge and wanted to help me upgrade. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it's fly ride full grown. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video because we reach our 2 legendary goal. I am so happy we got 2 good legendaries. Thank you guys so much for watching anyways, bye.